Hello everyone, my name is Angelica and I'm the one who wrote this code. But today's demo is going to be a little bit different because it's based off a real conversation with Apple customer support operator. So let's give it a listen.
Hi, thanks for calling Apple support. My name is Dasha. Can I get your name, please?
Hi, my name is Angelica.
Hi, Angelica, how may I help you out today?
My mom dropped the phone and the screen got cracked and I was wondering if you could fix it.
Could you tell me the model of the phone, please?
iPhone 11.
Gotcha. We are more than happy to help you with getting the phone screen fixed. I'm gonna need one moment. Okay, iPhone 11, let me see. Alright, do you know if you've got Apple Care coverage on you?
No Apple Care.
Alright, so when it comes to getting Apple Care, it can actually only be purchased within 60 days of originally purchasing the device. Other than that, once there's actual damage to the phone, you're actually not allowed to purchase Apple Care.
How much will it cost to repair without Apple Care?
Yes, I'm pulling that up now. iPhone 11, is it Pro or Pro Max, you said?
Just the one I told you before.
Okay, gotcha. So that pricing is showing $199, and that a fourth plus tax was likely.
How long would it take to repair the screen?
So going to store could be a quick turnaround if they have parts available and their schedule isn't too busy. Otherwise, it's up to the store and they would let you know the exact timing once you go in.
How much time would it take to fix the phone screen if the parts aren't available?
Sorry, I didn't quite catch that.
I was asking how much time would it take to fix the phone screen if the parts aren't available?
It depends, but the average time is about 3 to 5 business days, and that's for mailing in the phone instead of going to the store. That being said, I've never heard of the screen repair taking longer than this time frame.
What are the mailing options?
Alright, so with shipping, we only ship with UPS or FedEx. That typically costs about $5 to $6. Could be a bit more expensive, though.
Also, I want to trade in my phone as well.
Could you tell me the model of the phone, please?
iPhone 12 Pro.
So with the iPhone 12 Pro in pristine condition, you can get up to $500 in trade-in credit. That's for the next generation phone.
How much would the new phone cost after the trade-in discount?
The best thing to do is to go to apple.com because there are different variations to the phone. But the bottom level model with no Apple Care is showing to be $599 after trade. It's a 128 gigabyte phone. This is a subtotal without tax.
Okay, thank you so much.
No problem. Happy to help. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.
Bye. So that's literally the conversation with the Apple customer support representative, but I've also included some other digressions, such as, because things can happen with iPhones, such as water damage, and I got a digression that deals with that, even though it wasn't included in my personal conversation, but still. The phone won't charge, and we got a solution for that too. The frozen screen, accidental purchase on, say, App Store, no SIM card message that sometimes pops up out of the blue, or forgotten password. So in any case, as you can see, you can add as many digressions as you want to solve for your customers' problems, and I suggest you do just the same. You play with this app and edit it, make it better, and show us the results at the Dasha community. So thank you so much and have a great day. Till next time. Bye bye.